Welcome back to Motor Madness, the ultimate destination for car lovers, and today we have something truly out of the ordinary, a game-changing innovation that merges luxury motoring with adventure living. We're diving deep into the all-new 2025 BMW Motorhome, a bold and luxurious concept that fuses the iconic precision of BMW engineering with the freedom of a mobile lifestyle. Whether you're a die-hard road tripper or just someone with a taste for cutting-edge automotive design, this is a vehicle that demands attention. The 2025 BMW Motorhome is unlike anything the brand has attempted before. From the first glance, it's clear this isn't your average camper van. The exterior design screams sophistication and modernism, wrapped in the sleek aesthetics you'd expect from BMW. Built on an extended and modified platform inspired by the X7 and X models, the front fascia carries that aggressive signature kidney grille, illuminated for dramatic effect, with laser headlights seamlessly integrated into the sculpted body lines. The aerodynamic profile is a work of art for a motorhome. Flush door handles, hidden storage compartments, and active air vents all contribute to not just visual appeal but actual performance efficiency. The two-tone paint options, including exclusive matte finishes and eco-conscious metallics, add a premium touch that separates it from any other RV on the market. Moving toward the side and rear, the engineering genius becomes even more apparent. Large panoramic side windows offer an open view of the surroundings, enhancing both aesthetics and cabin light. At the back, a retractable terrace with an integrated awning turns any rest stop into a luxury lounge. The motorhome also features solar panels on the roof that power auxiliary systems, emphasizing BMW's commitment to sustainability. The vehicle sits on 22-inch alloy wheels designed specifically for load-bearing and long-distance travel while retaining BMW's dynamic handling DNA. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that redefines mobile living. It's more than just luxury, it's BMW luxury, translated into a mobile space. The cabin features sustainable yet high-end materials like recycled leather, open-pore walnut trim, and ambient lighting that can be customized to match your mood. The living space is intelligently segmented into a driver's cockpit, lounge area, kitchen, bathroom, and sleeping quarters, all seamlessly connected with a flow that maximizes both comfort and space. The cockpit is a digital dream. A curved widescreen display spans the dashboard, merging the infotainment system with the instrument cluster. BMW's latest iDrive 9 software offers AI-assisted navigation, real-time weather updates for campgrounds, and voice-controlled commands. The steering wheel is flat-bottomed, wrapped in vegan leather, and behind it, you'll find an augmented reality heads-up display projecting information directly onto the windshield. Swivel captain's chairs allow the driver and passenger seats to rotate 180 degrees, turning the cockpit into part of the lounge when parked. In the main cabin, the lounge area is designed like a modern studio apartment. A U-shaped sofa with extendable footrests wraps around a fold-out dining table, perfect for entertaining or working on the go. The kitchen features induction cooktops, a built-in espresso machine, and a smart refrigerator that syncs with your phone to suggest recipes based on what's inside. The bathroom is compact but surprisingly upscale, with a rainfall shower, heated floors, and a toilet that uses water-saving tech without sacrificing functionality. When it's time to sleep, the rear converts into a spacious bedroom with a queen-sized memory foam bed, retractable blackout blinds, and a skylight for stargazing. The climate control system is divided into 3 zones to keep every part of the motorhome comfortable, whether you're in the heat of the desert or parked near a snowy mountain lodge. Under the hood, the 2025 BMW Motorhome doesn't disappoint. It comes in 2 variants, a hybrid and a fully electric model. The plug-in hybrid combines a 3.0-liter inline-6 engine with BM's latest eDrive system, delivering a combined output of around 500 horsepower and a towing capacity of over 7,000 pounds. The electric version, however, is the showstopper. Powered by a dual-motor all-wheel drive setup, it produces over 600 horsepower and offers a range of approximately 400 miles on a full charge, thanks to its 120 kWh battery pack. Fast charging capability allows an 80% charge in under 40 minutes at high-speed stations, making long-distance travel both efficient and sustainable. Driving dynamics are where BMW surprises you yet again. Despite its size, the motorhome handles with precision thanks to adaptive air suspension, rear-wheel steering, and active roll stabilization. The experience behind the wheel is more akin to a luxury SUV than a bulky RV, giving it a unique edge in the segment. Now let's talk numbers. The 2025 BMW Motorhome isn't cheap, but then again, it's not built for the budget traveler. The plug-in hybrid starts at around $195,000, while the fully electric version pushes up to $225,000 depending on options. Add-on features like autonomous parking, advanced satellite connectivity, and extended solar power kits can easily bring the price closer to $250,000. This motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle upgrade. BMW has taken its luxury DNA and reimagined it for the open road, delivering a product that's both futuristic and functional. Whether you're traveling cross-country or just escaping for the weekend, the 2025 BMW Motorhome brings elegance, performance, and freedom together in a way no other vehicle has before. So, if you've ever dreamed of hitting the road without compromising on comfort, technology, or style, BMW just made that dream a very luxurious reality. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Motor Madness for more insane automotive content like this. Until next time, keep the engines roaring and the